Welcome to the Zebrabuzz platform. Today, I'll show you how to set up a Spintax reply. This is very good for e-commerce website owners who want to share unique coupons to each person who comments on their posts. This is an exciting feature because it allows you to provide varied random replies to commenters. Additionally, if you've posted a promotional message and want to distribute mystery coupon codes to your users, this feature enables you to do so effectively. Honestly, I love this because it can be a powerful way to generate more sales and leads. To follow along, you'll need to have a Facebook page and/or Instagram connected with Zebrabuzz. If you don't have a Zebrabuzz account yet, please watch the video linked in the description for guidance on setting up your account. Now let's show you how to set up your Spintax reply plive. On the left sidebar, click on Comment Manager. Then click on All Post List to view the list of posts on your page. Locate the post you want to set up the Spintax reply for and click on the gear icon. Click on the Enable Auto Reply button. When the Auto Reply template opens, consider turning off the Use Save Template option so you can configure a new template as desired. Here are the options you can configure. Turn on Send Reply Message to a user multiple times. Enable Comment Reply. Choose Yes to liking comments on your page. You may also turn on the Generic Message for All radio button. Provide a template name and input the reply you want to send when someone comments on your post. Next, let's set up the Spintax private reply that will be sent to the user via DM direct message. This is where you can include the mystery coupon code. Click on Add Message Template. Give this template a name, for example, Spintax Private. Write your private message using the Spintax format. For example, congratulations, you have received a 50% coupon. Your coupon code is Lucky50. You can add more discount codes if you wish. Once done, click Submit to complete the reply setup. After configuring the template, click on the Submit button again, then save the final settings. Let's see how this works when someone comments on this post. Go to your post and make a comment to test the setup. You should see a random comment reply generated, confirming that the Spintax reply is working correctly. The commenter will also receive a private message with the coupon code you set up. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please comment below. Visit our website or contact our support team if you need assistance. If you found this video helpful, please remember to subscribe and like our video. See you next time.